In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually get more Robux in Please Donate, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, there are multiple ways to actually get free Robux or more Robux in Please Donate, and I'm going to be telling you multiple ways. So the first way that you can actually use is to have multiple options for people to donate Robux. This ensures that multiple people can give you Robux if their budget depends on the amount of Robux that you are giving them as an option. This is really important. Another way to actually increase your chances of getting more Robux in Please Donate is to actually change your booth model. Make it fun. Go to the shop and get more, or claim others in different games like mine. As you can see, I have the Uno stand, but I could also use this one or Pet Simulator to make it look a little bit better and entice people to donate Robux. The next way is to also change your text. If you edit it and make it more appealing or make it so that people know why you need the Robux, it'll be really beneficial to actually get more Robux. I can click hi and type hi, and people will be able to see that. Something else that you can actually do is to tell them or have a reason why you need to have the Robux. For example, a lot of people will want to donate Robux for people that are developing games. So if I have developing a game, please donate, it'll be way more likely for people to actually want to donate because they want to actually play the game once they donate the Robux. Now, as you can see, please donate to this bacon. The goal is 15K. This person is a YouTuber. This person is saving up for an outfit. As you can see, there's a lot of different things about how you can make more Robux with your booths, and those are just a few ways. Now, that's really all there is to it. If you want more suggestions, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll find more suggestions on how to make Robux and Please Donate. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.